Hrišćani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo, kar sem
Hello, Miha and his team. I am a very lucky person. I was there at the House of Experiments. And during my visit, I could feel the atmosphere, a huge scientific playground where to learn is a permanent challenge. For those who are looking for the inquiry-based science education, that is the place. You know, I'm quite humbled to address some words to my friend and colleague, Miha Koch, a great professional leading a very committed team. 25 years of the anniversary of the House of Experiments Science Center, well, like Ciência Viva in Portugal, so we can say that we are brothers. But in this 25th anniversary of the House of Experiments, I'm sending my best wishes to Miha and his team. Congratulations for your work and to have created a small science center with such a huge impact. I'm proud to have the opportunity to have met you, and please receive a big hug from Lisbon. Bye. Congratulations.
Hrišćani, navadna hiša, res ni hiša kar tako. To hiša je eksperimentov, v njej vedoželjnim je lepo.